At Dryden Aqua, we don't follow industry standards. We define them. For decades, we've made millions of pools around the world cleaner, safer, and more sustainable through science, innovation, and a different way of thinking. Now, we're transforming how professionals manage their pools. Imagine a world where your pools tell you exactly what they need. A world where you're always one step ahead. Welcome to that world. Say hello to Space Satellite, the intelligent core of the space product range. A fully open machine learning system for smart monitoring and disinfection. Designed to connect, adapt, and scale to any pool, whether private or public. Cloud connected and powered by real-time data, Space Satellite gives you complete visibility over your entire pool portfolio from a single intuitive interface, anytime, anywhere. Monitor every key parameter, whether you're managing a single or dual filtration system, flow rate, water pressure, temperature, pH, alkalinity, water level, and more. But what truly sets it apart? It doesn't just monitor, it learns. It anticipates. It protects. With continuous data analysis and predictive maintenance technology, Space Satellite learns the unique behavior of every pool. It detects anomalies before they become problems, sending smart alerts with actionable recommendations so you can act at the right time. This is your shift from reactive to proactive pool management. Know exactly which pools need attention, what they need, and when. Plan smarter. Act with precision. Send the right technician with the right tools the first time, every time. No more guesswork. No more wasted trips. Just smoother operations. Happier clients. Higher profits. But we didn't stop there. At Dryden Aqua, we believe pool management shouldn't just be efficient, but truly sustainable. Space Satellite makes that vision real. Where others automate, Space Satellite adapts. It analyzes, it optimizes. Driven by intelligent algorithms, it delivers more with less. Less chemicals through smart adaptive dosing that protects water balance and cuts waste. Less water with instant leak detection and weather-optimized automatic refills. Want to go further? Meet Space Pro, the most advanced all-in-one control system ever built for pools. With 17 integrated relays, gain full remote control of all your equipment. Effortlessly manage backwashes, filtration speeds, and overflow from anywhere. Unlock the full power of smart automation and boost efficiency to the next level with advanced features like automatic water level reduction to cut backwash water consumption, or the Eco Mode, exclusive to Space, designed to prevent evaporation in overflow pools, both indoors and outdoors, for massive energy savings. Never obsolete and always evolving through cloud updates, both Space Satellite and Space Pro can scale and expand with Space Pilot, reaching up to 32 relays to manage even the most complex pool installations. Whatever the challenge, Space adapts. It becomes your ally. Space. The future of pool management by Dryden Aqua.